I love what you said there about the iterations. That's what I find when I'm designing a new board game. I create the design, I test it, and then I need to get away from it. I need distance to be freed from the mistakes I made in the first iteration. And maybe a month later, I'll come back and realize how it could be better.
And that's important because we all want to be right, but it's much easier to admit that we're not right a little bit later. Do you see what I mean? So when Sloan put it in the drawer, his ego was not so invested in that set of thoughts. It was easier for him to come back. And if I write a script, and this is exactly what I do, particularly a film script or something that's a bit more complex, is that the longer I can get away from it before I come back to reassess it, the better my reassessment will be. When we were doing Monty Python, we would never all go to the same screenings because we had these test screenings with audiences, but 2 of us would go and 2 would stay away because it's much easier, the further you get away from it, it's much easier to see what's not right.
If this man has ever made you laugh out loud or given you new ideas for creativity, would you please thank him by standing up and applauding? I think he's done a wonderful job. I appreciate so much for being here. Thank you, John. It's been wonderful having you here.